Woliten has made several social media posts claiming that Prophet Hubert Angel is involved in adultery and even called him Zimbabwe's own P. Diddy. He also said that revealing this information could put his life in danger, adding that he now moves around Johannesburg with armed security guards for protection. Sarabina mashoko kuda panguva ine Woliten aitaura mashoko aiwa avhundutsa nyika yese yeZimbabwe. Ndoibva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa paZimbabwe 30 ainobudanyira achiti Woliten drops bombshell. Hubert Angel is Zimbabwe's own P. Diddy. Hip hop artist turned whistleblower Woliten has escalated the expose on fake Prophet Hubert Angel, branding him Zimbabwe's own P. Diddy. In a series of explosive social media posts citing widespread adultery, spiritual manipulation, and a network of hidden relationships, Woliten claims Angel has built an empire of exploitation under the guise of faith. But the warning is chilling. Woliten says speaking out has put his life at risk. I move with armed guards in Johannesburg because I know that they are capable of, he revealed, alluding to powerful networks protecting Angel. His fear underscores the danger faced by those who challenge the prophet's narratives. While fake fallen angel dismisses allegations as moral failure, Woliten insists the truth is criminal, with the victims now speaking globally and intelligence links under scrutiny. The question grows louder: who is really protecting Hubert Angel, and from what? The third eye is watching. Ndomashikwana kuda panguva iri tiona kuti Woliten otaura explosive aiwa allegations aiwa pana Hubert Angel panguva ino achimoti aiwa vakomana ava musavachenesa mafake prophets. Pana comment section medu dzafuniro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chete on the bell icon.